I love coming to the Stream Lab for many reasons. One, I bring my kids here to learn about science and technology and all the things that they can create. I help out schools and nonprofits, and sometimes I just come for some creative outlets on my own. And one of my favorite things about the Stream Lab is really there's no limits on what you can do. Your limits is really your own creativity. If you can think of it, you can achieve it here at the Stream Lab because there's a machine that can help you make all your dreams come true.
The Stream Center is an asset to the Northern Kentucky region, and not only to this area, but also to nonprofits such as Redwood. We use the Stream Center for many of our projects, for the building and for fundraising efforts. We use the banner printer a lot for signage for our events, for banner for locations, for advertising. We use the fathead printer, the phototext paper a lot in our building to change out pictures in our children's library and also for directional signs. So the Stream Center is a great asset to us because it's cost effective for us, and we also have a lot of input and design for our projects.
Hi, I started coming to the Stream Center here at the Erlanger Branch of Kenton County Library several years ago. I started doing the different craft classes and then ventured off into creating some of my own projects. I've done the Glow Forge. Currently, I'm making mini charcuterie boards for my daughter's engagement dinner. I have done the 3D printer, making different models of different local buildings. McMicken Hall at University of Cincinnati was a big hit for my husband who was employed there. I definitely recommend it to everyone, and I tell everyone about it. And if you're ever hesitant, just book a one-on-one. You'd be super amazed at what you can do.
We love the Stream Center at the Erlanger branch of the Kenton County Library. We've used several of the machines to make like posters for birthday parties or gifts for friends and family. The t-shirt printer is especially fun to use, and the staff is extremely helpful. You make a one-on-one appointment, and they teach you how to use the machines. They've got 3D printers, which are great for toys and games and things like that. So we love it, and we'd recommend it to anyone.
I really enjoy coming to the Stream Center because I love learning to learn new things. So the best part of the Stream Center is I have so many different tools and devices and programs to learn that I can't learn anywhere else. So I come here for the chance to get to learn new things and try out different projects, stuff like that, whenever I want.